It's our first Christmas tree as a family. Thanks, bebe. Punta na kami sa Filipino Christmas party. Guys, meron na kaming lamp. So, hindi siya masyadong makita kasi medyo madilim, no? So, ayun siya. Parang tatluhan. And then, ito yung shades niya. Ayan. So, kakadating lang ni AJ. Again, another Facebook Marketplace find.
So, babe, you know how to put laundry in first?
And then the lamp, right?
Business?
Yeah.
You need to go.
Yeah.
Back down.
Yeah, I will.
Alright, bye, babe.
Bye-bye. I love you. You drive safe. So, ayan. Aayusin natin siya. Dilim kasi dito, guys. Kita nyo naman. Kapag ganitong oras na, 5 p.m. na, madilim na talaga dito. Lalo na kapag naka-close yung shade. So, gusto namin, siguro isa pang lamp. Guys, ayan na siya. Charan! Ayan oh, vibey. Vibey siya. I like it a lot. Just so happy that we finally have a lamp. Mag-grocery kami sa Filipino store. First time kong pumunta ng Filipino store. And then, aayusin na natin yung Christmas tree natin! Yay! Look at that! Look at the vibes! Ang ganda! Like, how lucky am I? Bebe. Guys, sobrang saya ko. Kikita nyo ba yan? Galing kaming Asian store and bumili akong pang pinakbet and merong sigarilyas. Ang saya ko lang. And then, perfect na talong for pinakbet. Siyempre, may ampalaya. Ito ba yung nabili natin dyan? Bumili si AJ ng, chicken curry. Chicken curry kami. Ito, hinahanap ko to. The best sriracha, yung may manok. And then, bagoong. Ayan. Stir sauce kasi magbi-beef broccoli kami. I am just so happy kasi crave na po ako sa pinakbet and favorite food ko to of all time. And then guys, eto pa pala, isa sa napakasaya ko po, merong rambutan. So, ayusin muna natin to bago ako mag-start magluto. Ayusin ko yan. Yung niload namin sa dishwasher kanina. Tapos ilalagay natin yon. Guys! Oh my gosh! We're watching a Christmas movie. AJ, how was it? That's it?
It's amazing. Never had anything like it in my life.
So good. And syempre, meron tayong bagoong and sili. So, yeah. Buti pa si Ronald nakakain na. Gutom na kami. Alas 10 na po. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. So, today, mag-fold tayo ng laundry. Kahapon, habang niluluto ko yung pinakbet, AJ, naglalaba siya. So, ayan, today naman, ang task ko is i-fold. Let's go! Magto 12 na, pero ang ilalunch ko is yung natirang pinakbet kagabi. And then later, gagawa tayo na Indian flatbread. Kumutan ko yung tawag, and chicken curry. Pero maaamoy yung mga niluluto ko. Ngayon, amoy pinakbet pa din po ang bahay namin, yes. Tutupi muna ako ng mga damit. Isa to sa mga favorite task ko ever. Like, ang pinaka-hate ko is mag-urong or mag-wash ng dishes. Pero hindi ko na yung problema ngayon kasi may dishwasher na.
Plan right now to come.
Guys, ay puto! Naglag pa yung phone ko. Babe, I dropped you. Papalitan ko na to kasi naubos na. Almost 3 weeks naman naglast yung isa. So, carry. Ang scent na to is Frozen Lake. Babe, pa-open.
Yeah. You're twisting to the left, right?
Oh,
Were you twisting to the right?
yeah.
Bruh.
do you put this on?
Twist it, babe.
I did. I am twisting it.
Twisting it to the right.
Do I not know what left and right is? Okay, ayan na siya. So, ayan. Guys, ang ganda naman ng view. Look at that view. Diba? Ang ganda talaga pag may araw. So lucky. Hello everyone! It's a few hours later. Ayan na aking ginagawa. Nagpe-prepare ako for chicken curry. Nag-request si AJ ng chicken curry ko kasi hindi pa niya na-try. Tapos gagawa tayo ng bread. Ito actually is recipe ng mom ng isa sa mga best friends ko. Before pandemic, lagi kami sa kanila and lagi itong niluluto ng mom niya. Sarap na sarap talaga ako. And then, during the pandemic, parang na-miss ko talaga siya. Minessage ko si Sophie, sabi ko, pasendang recipe. And then, guys, tignan nyo, ganito siya, oh, paste siya instead of powder. So, unahin muna natin, iprito ko ng konti yung chicken.
I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without.
Okay guys, so ito na yung bread natin. Ayan. Then, ito ang ultimate test. So, meron ako dito. Ito ang ultimate test kung masarap ang curry. For me is, kung masarap siyang sausawan nitong naan. Ayun, na-search ko na ko ng tawag. Talaga na ako umuwi si AJ at matry niya. As a housewife, charing. So, yeah. And look at the views. Ang ganda na naman ang view. Every hapon talaga ang favorite ko dito. Ronald, come here. I know I said you could join, but you can join later. Okay. Ito na naman. Okay. Part of the family. Ito lahat ng ribbons na binili ko. I'm in the bedroom. Sorry for that. Wala pa din kasi kaming shelf or anything dito. So, I'm gonna watch YouTube while I do this. Dahil si AJ, nanonood siya ng TV sa labas and naiingayan ako sa kanya. I wanna watch my own thing. And di ko alam kung nakapakita ko na to, pero binili namin to ng Black Friday. $40 na lang siya isa. And I like it. Ayun pa yung isa. And ito yung nabili namin sa flea market. Tayo po ay isang araw na namang binuhay at pinagmukhang naligo ng dry shampoo. Papasadahan ko lang ng blower to para maganda yung bagsak dito sa ilalim. Again, Revlon. Hindi na para gumastos pa sa Dyson. Okay na yan, as long as mukhang naligo. Tapos tayo ay mag-headband. Black Friday, bumili ako ng knitted headband. Babe, it's not the vibe. It's not giving.
I like it.
I like the black one better. Okay, wait. If you figure out ko kung paano nila ini-style yung mga chunky headbands like this. And then, we'll be back. Okay, alam ko na dapat naiiwan yung bangs. Try natin. So, with the blower. Crossing my fingers that this stays. Naruwi na agad yung day ko. Tapos na itong vlog na to.
At least this isn't no
Tignan nyo.
Black
pants ako kanina.
It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through.
sorry.
without
Like this.
you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to
Hindi ko
come,
nakikita yung sarili ko.
cause nothing feels the same with you
Yeah, I like this.
now.
I'll be fitting the stuff that I got. And I'll just give a haul later of which ones I'm gonna get.
Cause nothing feels the
Thanks, bebe.
No problem, babe.
Hey guys. We're done. Mag-haul tayo mamaya. Pagka-uwi namin. Thank you, bebe. I got boots too. And maulan na. Wala akong boots na hindi knee-high. So, basa yung medyas ko. So, sakto. Buti na lang may size ako kasi my goodness, guys. Ito lang talaga yung boots na size ko. It is cute though. So, I'm not even complaining. I just know that it's gonna hurt now. Although it's not brand new, so it shouldn't hurt. We'll see kung matatagalan ko to. Anyways, indoor naman. Siguro, ngayon lang na nasa labas pa kami at palakad-lakad pa kami. It's gonna be raining in the next few days. So, this is gonna be perfect. Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko na may attendan kaming Christmas party. Dumaan lang kami dito sa Goodwill. Parang little date, shopping date before we go there. Kasi 6 p.m. pa naman yun. Medyo nagugutom na ako pero it's fine kasi kainan doon. So baka mag-best buy kami if may time. And then punta na kami sa Filipino Christmas party. Hindi ko alam kung na-mention ko yung part 9 na Filipino Community Christmas Party. Is it Filipino Community Christmas Party?
Yeah. Or Filipino American Association of Greater Chattanooga.
I saw myself in the mirror in a full-length mirror because we don't have one at the house. Naging good mood ako bigla kasi ang ganda ko pala talaga.
Hold on, babe. I'm doing something.
Sorry.
What happens when the world ends? At least this isn't no cake bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through.
Okay guys, so kakaalis lang ng siblings ni AJ. Talagang tumambay lang kami dito. Si AJ actually kanina pa siya wala dito kasi siya ay nag-work. So naiwan kami dito ng siblings niya. So bigyan ko kayo ng haul ng mga pinamili natin kahapon sa Goodwill. We only spent $44. Tapos naka-military discount pa kami. So parang $40 lang to. So the first thing that I got is this one. Ito lang yung boots na kasya sa akin. I don't know if I shared it sa vlog na kahapon kasi sinuot ko na to kahapon agad. And mukha pa siyang brand new actually. Wala siya nakalagay na brand, so I don't know where it's from, but ang ganda niya. And I really needed ankle boots because napapadalas na yung ulan dito sa chat. And pag maulan, syempre, hindi na sa lahat ng outfit yung knee-high boots. Yung sneakers ko, nababasa yung medyas ko. So, kailangan ko nito na bagay sa lahat ng outfits. I only got this parang $6 or $9. I forgot. It was so comfy too. I wore it last night and comfy siya in fairness to her. And then I also got this one. Pinakita ko to nung nasa Goodwill kami, I think. Pero I just got a blazer. Naiwan ko lahat ng mga oversized blazers ko sa Philippines. Ang nadala kong oversized blazer is yung manipis pa. So, I needed to get one na medyo makapal-kapal for layering. And guys, if you know me, this is my shit. I love oversized blazer. I don't know, very edgy. I love it. And ako ang miss shoulder pads. Pag may shoulder pads, most probably I'm sold. Next thing, this might be one of my favorite things that I got. It's this puffer vest and it just fits me so good. As in, perfect na perfect yung fit niya sa akin. And again, it's getting colder, so this is perfect. The next thing is this pants. Stripes. I don't know if you can see. Pair of stripes na black trousers, and I just need more pants kasi when I gained weight, my legs and my thighs, yun yung pinaka tumaba sa akin. So, hindi na kasya yung mga pants ko. Ang dami kong iniwang pants sa Philippines. So, ayan. This one is from Gap. Again, with the oversized. Ako yan. Button downs. Ako yan. So, yeah, I think we got this $3 lang. 150 pesos. Ganyan. I love it. I love the color. I don't know if you guys can see the color. Pero ayan, I love that. And it's a thicker button down, which I like. And was structured siya. Next thing that I got is this scarf. Very simple scarf. Ano to eh? Old Navy na scarf. And it's just so pretty. Like, that's such a vibe. And then, last thing is the main thing. I really wanted to go to Goodwill to buy cheaper trench coats. I finally found one. Sabi ni AJ, minsan lang daw magkaroon ng trench coat sa Goodwill. So, I was very happy when we found one. Parang isa or dalawa lang sila. Yung isa hindi ko masyadong bet. But, guys, it's so pretty. It's this navy blue one. So, perfect kasi it would match with almost anything and everything. And, yung isa, kaya hindi ko siya binili is because wala siyang tali. And, I didn't like the fit of it. $10 lang to, guys. And again, kita niyo yan. Merong shoulder pads. And then we also got, pakita ko na lang sa inyo kasi nalinis ko na siya and everything. We got this vase. This vase in a shape of a heart. I don't know if you guys can see, pero it's so cute. So, yeah, we got that one because I love flowers. And then we got this one. Technically, it's also, I guess, a vase. We're planning to put our produce here. Fruits, ganyan. And then, all of our coffee pods. Once na gawin na naming bar tong area na to, like coffee bar, we're gonna put all of our coffee pods in here, which I think is gonna be really cute. Like, imagine that. Na punong-puno siya. I just think it's so cute. It's so pretty. And, yeah, I cannot wait to slowly decorate this area. And meron kami nakita tong desk na sobrang ganda kaso sold na siya. We were so sad. If available yon, I would buy it right then and there. Pero wala. Unfortunately, sold na siya. So, yan lang ang ganap natin. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye!